Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can search for your applied jobs or see which jobs you applied for on Indeed. So let's get right into it. But before I do, let me just quickly explain what Indeed is. Indeed is a pretty much run-of-the-mill job seeking or employee seeking application, very similar to LinkedIn, where you can choose to be a job seeker or an employer. If you're a job seeker, you can search for jobs depending on keywords, location, type of work, part-time, full-time, and so on and so forth. You can create your own online resume, which will help you with your job seeking, and you can directly message your potential employers to get more information or something like that. If you're an employer, you can put up job listings, which will attract people to apply for your jobs, and you can much more easily manage them than the traditional method by using the Indeed in-app management system for employees, using Indeed Connect or Indeed for employers, and so on and so forth. But as I've said, I will be showing you guys how to find the jobs which you have applied for, and let me demonstrate how you can search for jobs just as an example. So let's say I am searching for a part-time job. I'll just select part-time and click search. Once you do, you'll find a list of jobs such as this, and if you want to hire or apply for a job, just click on the job you want, click on apply on company site, and once you apply, they'll be stored in your applied jobs. To find your applied jobs, just go to your profile icon, go to my jobs, and just click on applied, and you'll find them right here. That's it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.